If you are anything like my kids, you love graphic novels, and in my opinion, that is the first step to learning how to write one. Hi, my name is Amanda Zieba, and I'm going to be presenting a workshop at the 2022 WSRA convention, The Art of Literacy, all about how to make a graphic novel. I'm going to talk to you about the parts of a graphic novel, some strategies for getting those ideas in your head down onto the paper, and how to put it together. Now, not only am I going to share my strategies with you, but I have some videos of some other very famous graphic novelists like Jarrett Lerner and Chad Sell and Yehudi Mercado that I'm going to share with you. So hopefully by the end of the presentation, you're going to be able to walk away with some graphic novels that you have created. I hope you join me at the conference, and I look forward to seeing you there. Happy reading and happy writing!